Hi guys, in this lesson we are going to talk about inheritance, which is one of the fundamental concepts in object-oriented programming. So let's get started. Let's create another class that will inherit from the person class. Class student, parenthesis, person, column, new line, def, double underscore, init, and push tab. And as you can see, a lot of the work we would have had to do is already done. Super is a built-in function used to refer to the parent class. In this way, it allows you to call methods and attributes from the parent class. Let's add a new attribute, self.course equal course. Let's add also up here course, then new line, def, double underscore, str, and tab. Also here super does the same thing, so plus f string \n course, column, curly brackets, self.course. Now let's create a student equal student, parenthesis, quotation marks, s123, comma, quotation mark, Alice, comma, quotation marks, computer science, new line, print, parenthesis, student. As you can see, we were able to create our student class by doing half the work, because the attributes and the methods we needed were already implemented in the parent class person. This is especially useful when you need to create many subclasses. So let's try another one. Class employee, parenthesis, person, column, new line, def, double underscore, init, and tab. Let's add parameter, comma, department, and the attribute self.department equal department, new line, def, double underscore, str, tab, plus f string \n department, column, curly brackets, self.department. And now let's create an employee. Employee equal employee, parenthesis, quotation marks, E456, comma, quotation marks, Bob, comma, quotation mark, HR. Print, parenthesis, employee. As you can see, inheritance is a powerful tool when you need to create multiple classes with shared behavior or attributes. So in this lesson we learn about inheritance and how it allows one class to reuse code from another. We also learned about the super built-in function, which allows us to call parent class method. For this lesson it's enough. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson.